To make the banana bread, you need 300 grams of flour, 2 eggs, 100 grams of fair trade brown sugar, 50 grams of fair trade chocolate or normal chocolate chips, half a teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons baking soda, 100 grams butter, and 2 ripe bananas. And I also use fair trade ones, but you don't have to use fair trade products at all. So the next step is first to preheat your oven at 175 degrees and second to prepare your loaf pan. And I use a reusable baking paper, but in case you don't have one, I want to show you a little trick how the baking paper fits the best into your loaf pan. And for that, you put the baking paper on top of it and use your four of your fingers to squeeze it into the 4 corners, like this. And then you can see it here, and you just cut here. Like this. And then the baking paper fits much better in here. So after that, you need 2 bowls, one for dry ingredients and one for wet ingredients. And in the first bowl, I combined flour, salt, and the baking soda. And in a separate bowl, I cream brown sugar and melted butter. And I also used the fork for that. Now we will mash the bananas and mash the bananas. I use the same fork like this, and also stir in the eggs. And we mix it until everything looks well blended. So in this bowl are now 2 bananas and 2 eggs, and I mashed the bananas until it looked blended. There are still some banana crumbs, but I think that's fine. And now we will combine the sugar and butter mixture and the banana and egg mixture together. We are nearly done, and now we stir in the banana mixture into the flour one. And the last step is to add your chocolate, but keep a few to the end to decorate your banana bread. And if you don't want your bread too sweet, you can also replace the chocolate with nuts. But because I like chocolate and nuts both, and I will add both in my dough. My bread is nearly done now. I just want to equal the dough a little bit more in the loaf pan and add the chocolate chips on top to decorate it. And that's it. So my banana bread looks quite red now, and that's why I want to prove it by putting a toothpick into the center. And if it comes out clean, then it's done. And my one looks quite done now, so I just let it cool down for 10 more minutes and then I can try it.